Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So Goats Airdrop is about to list and they have now given us the withdrawal opportunity. Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your goods to either Bitget Exchange or MEXC, depending on the one you use or the one that suits you best. Maybe your Bitget is verified and you want to transfer this to Bitget, or you have MEXC and it's verified but you don't really know how to do this. Then stick with me to the very end of this video, because this is what I'm going to be revealing to you. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this so you don't make mistakes. Okay, once you open up your Goats Airdrop mini app on Telegram right now, you're going to see two options right now, which is the stake option and the withdraw option. Okay, I did a video recently and I explained what the stake is and how to stake. Okay, in that very video I also explained allocation, issues and listing date. Okay, but I'll still talk about the listing date in this very video, and I'm also going to tell you when the withdrawal ends. Okay, so in this very video we're just going to concentrate on the withdrawal, and what we are going to do right now is to click on this very button right here that says withdraw. I'm going to click on withdraw right now. Now if you look carefully right here, you will see that Goats is going to be listing on 7 exchanges, okay, which is Bitget, KuCoin, Gates.io, MEXC, Bitmart, Onus and CoinW. But in this very video I'm going to be focusing on Bitget and MEXC. Okay, this is the 2 exchanges I'm going to be focusing on. Now what you need to know is that the listing date is going to be on December 5th. okay, December 5th is the listing date, but the withdrawal deadline is November 30th to December 2nd. okay, so if you don't withdraw within this time frame, you will have to wait for on-chain withdrawal, which starts on December 1st and I think ends on December 30th. Okay, so you still have about 28 to 30 days to do this. Okay, so to withdraw to Bitget right now, what you have to do is to click on Bitget right here. Now you're going to be asked, do you have a Bitget account? You need to add your deposit address to receive the Goats Airdrop. We're going to click on yes, I have it. And right now you are going to be asked, what is the percentage of your Goats Airdrop you want to transfer to your Bitget Exchange? Now kindly note, I have to point this out because it's very important. This is where a lot of people will make mistake if you don't pay attention. If you head over to Google Play Store right now and come over to the search bar and search for Bitget right here, you're going to see Bitget buy and sell crypto. Now this is the one you're meant to download. Bitget buy and sell crypto is the Bitget Exchange, not the wallet. I repeat, not the wallet. Now if I scroll down right here, you're going to see Bitget wallet, crypto and BTC. Now this is the one you are not meant to download. If you have this is not the one you're meant to use. Okay, the one that have this purple tick just below it is the wallet and not what you're meant to use. Okay, this is what you're meant to use, which is the exchange. Okay, so this is what you're meant to download and have your account verified. Make sure if you are using Bitget or MEXC, make sure that your account is verified. Okay, like I was saying, this is the percentage you are meant to choose, either 25, 50, 75 or 100%. okay, you select based on the one that suits you best. Now the next thing you're meant to do is to enter your UID right here, your Bitget UID, and to get that, it's really simple. All you have to do is to open up your Bitget Exchange app. So we're going to open that up right now, and this is just loading up right now. So to get your Bitget UID, you just have to come over to the top left hand corner of your screen right here, just click on that, and then you would get to see your UID just below the Bitget user bolded word. Okay, just click on it once and your UID will be copied, and then you come back to your Goats mini app on Telegram and click on this and paste in your UID right there. Now the next thing we're meant to enter right here is the address, and to enter the address, what you're meant to paste in right there is your Goats Airdrop deposit address on Bitget Exchange. And to get this very address right now, we're just going to do something simple. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Right, we're just going to head back right now. Okay, so once you're on the home page of Bitget Exchange, just come over to this very place that says add fund. Right, you want to click on add fund right here. Now this is going to lead you to this very page. Click on deposit crypto. Now this is going to load up and bring you to this very page. So what you want to do is to head over to the search bar. Just click on this search bar right here, and we're going to type Goats. Okay, now note, the one you are meant to copy is Goats, not Goats Maximum. Goats Maximum is another project. The one you're meant to copy is Goats right here. As you can see, this is the logo, or should I say icon. So just click on it, and you're going to be asked to choose network. Automatically Bitget is going to fix that for you. Okay, so this is your address right here. This is your address right here, and to copy that you just have to click on this little copy icon right here. Okay, just click on this, and as you can see, copied. Okay, so we're just going to head back to Goats right now. I'm pasting that very address we just copied in this very field provided, and what you do next is to click on withdraw, right? And you will withdraw this to your Bitget Exchange immediately. So this is how the withdrawal works for Bitget Exchange. Now let's head over to MEXC and let me show you real quick how to withdraw to your MEXC Exchange for those of us who want to withdraw to MEXC. Okay, so I'm going to click on withdraw again, and then I'm going to select MEXC. It's basically the same process, right? Let's say we want to withdraw 50% right here. I'm just going to click on 50% right now, and then we are being asked to enter our UID. Now let me show you how to get your UID on MEXC Exchange. Okay, let me just take this off. Okay, so this is MEXC Exchange right now, right? This is the home page of MEXC Exchange, and to get your UID, just like Bitget Exchange, you go ahead and click on this profile icon at the top left hand corner of the screen, and this is your UID right here. Just click on that little copy icon, and automatically your UID will be copied. You come back to Goats Airdrop app and paste it in there. Now the next thing you're meant to copy and paste is your deposit address. Okay, your Goats deposit address, and we are going to get that on MEXC right now. And to get that, you just have to come over to this very place that says wallets. So click on wallet right now, and the next thing you want to do is to click on spots. Okay, just click anywhere you click here, it will take you to spots. Now you want to come over to the search bar right here and search for Goats. So as you can see right here, this is the logo again, and you can see the notice here, trading starts in 3 days, meaning as at the time of creating this video, trading starts in 3 days. What they mean is that Goats will be listing on December 5th. Okay, so we're going to click on this right now. We're going to click on Goats, and to get your deposit address, you just have to come over here and click on this very blue deposit button. Now it says it is necessary to correctly fill in the address, memo, tag or identifier on withdrawal platform, otherwise the good deposit will be lost. Now take note, otherwise your token will be lost. Okay, so what you're meant to fill in is the memo. Bitget Exchange did not give us memo, right? But MEXC is giving us memo, and it is necessary we fill it in. Now this is the memo right here. If you don't fill this in during the withdrawal process for MEXC, you lose your Goats Airdrop reward, right? So we're going to go ahead right now and click on copy right now to copy the wallet address, and we're going to head back, pasting this wallet address in the wallet address field, and this is the memo section right here, which is where you are meant to paste in your memo. So I'm going to select I'm going to click on copy right now to copy the memo. Okay, and then I'll paste this very memo right here, and the next thing I'm going to do is to click on withdraw right now, and automatically you will be scheduled, or you'll be added to the withdrawal queue or the migration queue or whatever. Okay, but what is going to happen is that before the listing date, you're going to receive your token in your various wallets, right? So this is basically how the withdrawal works. Now I'm not able to withdraw. I can't click on that withdraw button right now because the token I have here is just 0.1, and that is because I staked all my tokens. In my previous video I showed you how I staked it. Okay, and to see your tokens when staked, you click on activity. Now the moment you click on activity, you're going to see the staking option you chose and the percentage and what you'll be getting after your staking ends, right? And if I click on withdraw right now, which is this, you're going to see no withdrawals yet, and that is because I didn't actually place a withdrawal in this very platform. So this is it, guys. I believe that when you place a withdrawal, you get to see it right here. Okay, but for the staking, you also see it right here. They all fall under activity. So I hope I've been able to solve your problem. I hope I've been able to explain this in such a way you would understand. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section, or if you do enjoy this video, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. Don't forget to also follow our social media handle for constant updates. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care and goodbye.